Top tech tools every content creator needs in 2025. In 2025, content creation isn't just about creativity. It's about using the right tech to elevate your game. Today, we're exploring the top tech tools every content creator needs to stay ahead of the curve. Ready to future-proof your content? Let's go! Number 1 is AI-powered script writing tool. Starting with number 1, AI-powered script writing tools. Meet tools like ChatGPT 2025 Edition and Jasper AI Pro, your personal brainstorming partner. From generating scripts to crafting engaging captions, these tools save time and spark creativity. Number 2 is advanced video editing software. Advanced video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro 2025 and DaVinci Resolve X. Imagine this. AI auto-edits your footage, perfects color grading, and syncs audio effortlessly. These tools bring cinematic quality to your fingertips. Editing just got smarter. Number 3 is 360-degree camera. Want to give your audience a next-level experience? Check out 360-degree cameras like the Insta360 X4 or GoPro Max Ultra. Capture immersive scenes, create VR-compatible content, or simply add a unique twist to your videos. It's the future of storytelling. Number 4 is high-quality microphone. Audio matters more than ever. A high-quality microphone, like the Shure MV7X or Rode NT-USB Plus, ensures crystal-clear sound. With built-in AI noise reduction, your voice stays front and center, no distractions. Because your audience deserves to hear you at your best. Number 5 is AI-powered thumbnail generator. Thumbnails are your first impression, and in 2025, AI makes them irresistible. Tools like Canva AI and Adobe Express 2.0 create click-worthy designs in seconds. Upload your images, tweak the AI suggestions, and watch your click-through rate soar.